Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I am a little bit concerned that they don't turn this Amotekun thing into a little bit of a ridiculousness, but some of the images coming out now are cause for concern. Guys, I bring you this. Amotekun commander storms Ekiti assembly in Juju regalia. So this is the headline that we're contending with, and the image really is the real story and the real concern, the image you're seeing on your screen. So again, the headline: Amotekun commander, and the commander is in quotation marks, storms Ekiti assembly. So now let's find out exactly what is going on here. One of the leaders of the Amotekun, a security outfit, on Monday visited the Ekiti State House of Assembly dressed in combat regalia. The Amotekun leader, whose purpose in the house was to attend a public hearing on the outfit, gave his submission on the security initiative. The Ekiti State Assembly had earlier passed the Amotekun bill transited by Kayode Fayeme, the governor, into law. Amotekun was originally established as a regional security outfit, but after a series of consultations, including a meeting with Mohammed Adamu, Inspector General of Police, the initiative was adopted as a state effort. Below are pictures of the Amotekun leader at the Ekiti Parliament. So now, of course, the images are things that you can see on your screen already, and this doesn't strike me as anything that will strike fear in the heart of any self-respecting Fulani headsman. So is this back to square one? Because this is not the Amotekun that we have in mind. Where the guys are holding up a mic and speaking, if you look 2 rows back, you can see a policewoman barely containing her laughter. She is chuckling in her own mind. You can see from the look on her face that she just finds the whole thing quite farcical, that how have we got into this, that this ridiculous person is here addressing me, and why have I been made to come and sit down and partake in this? So you can see that the woman, the policewoman, you can see her 2 rows back, she doesn't especially rate what is going on. She just thinks this is some sort of a joke and a farce, and I think it's a bit farcical as well, because we want people in sharp uniforms carrying well tooled up equipment to show that this thing is going to be taken on frontally, not some shaking and chanting incantations in Ekiti Parliament. No, this is not the Amotekun we had in mind, or is it? Conversations in the comment section. Come share thoughts about what you're saying on your screen with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me if this is your idea or your expectation of the Amotekun initiative in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.